Scott Bauer, the CEO of Prosper Trading Academy, joins us now. All right, so definitely I would say this is a market where only the pros should be involved.
I mean, Angie, this is I don't want to use the word perilous in a bad sense, but this is as, let's call it, dangerous of a market for the retail investor as I have seen in 30 years.
All right,
and just as you just said there, if you're not willing to absolutely sustain some serious losses, and there can be some fantastic gains as well, if you're a long-term investor, step aside. If you want to trade, day trade, intraday, lots of opportunity, lots of risk as well.
Very true. This also happens to be the 11th anniversary of when we saw the bounce back from the financial crisis.
That's right.
So, any stocks that you want to buy here? What do you really want to own?
My laundry list just got so much deeper. You know, I thought last week things were on sale. Now the things that were on sale are on sale. So I'm looking, you know, the real just staple stocks like a Microsoft, an Apple. I still love tech, so I like a Nvidia. I'm staying away from the energy stocks, even though they've been so battered that there's a lot of upside. I'm looking at those stocks that just truly are on sale, but the fundamentals haven't changed.
Right. Okay. Well, that's good to know, because oil, we saw the big crash there.
Yep.
Interest rates crash there.
Interest rates crash there.
Crash there.
Yes.
Everything's crashing.
And I'll be honest with you, and this is not, you know, to incite any sort of panic, because there shouldn't be any panic.
Right.
3 months from now, 6 months from now, I personally believe we will be much higher than we are today.
Oh, that's probably a very true statement. All right, taking a look at some other areas, cruise stocks.
I'd stay away from them. Again, you know, if somebody wants to get into a situation where literally they're rolling the dice, flipping a coin, sure, do something there. I would absolutely stay away from them unless you're willing to take the heat with some potential upside as well. I'm not willing to trade that way.
Same with casinos?
No, casinos I actually view a little bit differently, because things are going to start getting back to normal, which you can say that about the cruise stocks as well, but things have already started getting back to normal out in Asia. And so I really think there could be some upside from current levels in the big casino stocks.
Okay, any names you like here, just in general?
Win.
Okay.
Yep, Win.
Good to have you here. Thank you.
Thank you.
For more Business First AM, check us out on social media. We're on Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter. And go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.